This video is related to multiple choice questions of topic nanotechnology. You can also study another topic of chemistry on my Swapnali S. Jadhav channel. So visit my channel, subscribe my channel for upcoming videos, like and share to your friends. Please comment in comment box your opinion about this video. So let us start questions. Here first question is, the word nano derives from word nanos, Greek, Latin, French, none of these. So correct option is option B. The word nano derives from the Latin word nanos. Latin word nanos. The prefix nano means lakh, millionth, billionth, none of these. So the prefix nano means 1 billionth. 1 nanometer is meter, 10 raised to minus 7, 10 raised to minus 8, 10 raised to minus 9, 10 raised to minus 10. So 1 nanometer is 10 raised to minus 9 meter, option C. Particles having the size between are called as nanoparticles or nanomaterials. 1 to 10 nanometer, 1 to 100 centimeter, 1 to 100 nanometer, 1 to 1000 nanometer. So correct option is C. Particles having the size between 1 to 100 nanometers are known as nanoparticles or nanomaterials. The term nanotechnology was first defined by Richard Feynman, Norio Taniguchi, Kroto, James. So the term nanotechnology was first defined by scientist Norio Taniguchi in 1974. A speech entitled "There is Plenty of Room at the Bottom" was given by scientist Richard Feynman, Ernst Ruska, Albert Einstein, Kroto. So a speech entitled "There is Plenty of Room at the Bottom" was given by scientist Richard Feynman. That is option A. When in 1959. The invention of scanning tunneling microscope by Richard Feynman, Binning and Rohrer, Kroto and Smalley, James and Neosel. So the invention of scanning tunneling microscope by Binning and Rohrer in 1981. Next, Karl Kroto and Smalley synthesized 60 atom carbon molecules later named as graphene, carbon nanotubes, fullerene, none of these. So correct option is option C, that is 60 atom carbon molecule later named as fullerene, who was synthesized Karl Kroto and Smalley and Fein in 1985. Discovered a carbon nanotube. Richard Feynman, Ijima, Kroto and Smalley, James and Neosel. So Ijima discovered the carbon nanotube in 1991. Discovered an allotrope of carbon graphene. Here not allotrope, allotrope. Okay. Discovered allotrope of carbon graphene. Richard Feynman, Ijima, Kroto and Smalley, James and Neosel. So correct option is James and Neosel discovered allotrope of carbon, that is graphene, when in 2004. Remember the scientist name and their discoveries. Next, the color of gold solution is orange, red, green, depending upon the particle size. So the color of gold solution is depending upon the particle size. That may be orange, may be red, may be green, or may be another. Due to size and surface area, nanoparticles exhibits interesting and astonishing properties. So correct option is B. Due to smaller size and larger surface area, nanoparticles exhibits interesting and astonishing properties. The nanostructure in which all the three dimensions are in the nano range is called dimensional nanostructure. 0, 1, 2, 3. So the nanostructure in which all the three dimensions are in the nano range or nanoscale is called the zero dimensional nanostructure. That is correct option is A. Example of zero dimensional nanostructure is dot dot, quantum dots, quantum wires, quantum wheels, nano powders. So example of zero dimensional nanostructure is quantum dots, or it is also known as nanoparticles. Nanoparticles or quantum dots. Remember that. The nanostructure in which two external dimensions are in the nano range and third dimension is significantly larger is called dot dot dimensional nanostructure. So such type of nanostructure is known as one dimensional nanostructure. Example of one dimensional nanostructure is dot dot, quantum dots, quantum wires, quantum wheels, nano powders. So example of one dimensional nanostructure is quantum wires. It is also known as nano wires, nano tube, nano rod or nano fiber. Remember that. The nanostructure in which one external dimension is in the nano range and other two dimensions are significantly larger is called dot dot dimensional nanostructure. 0, 1, 2, 3. So such type of nanostructure is known as two dimensional nanostructure in which one external dimension is in the nano range and other two dimensions are significantly larger. Example of two dimensional nanostructure is dot dot, quantum dots, quantum wires, quantum wheels, nano powders. So correct option is quantum wheels is the example of two dimensional nanostructure. It is also known as nano films or nano coatings. Remember that. The nanostructure in which all the three dimensional are significantly larger than the nano range is called dot dot dimensional nanostructure. So when the nanostructure in which all the three dimensions are significantly larger than nano range is called three dimensional nanostructure. Example of three dimensional nanostructure is nano powders or bulk nanomaterials. Remember that, nano powders or bulk nanomaterials. The whole electron pair in lattice is called as dot dot, lone pair, ion pair, positron, exciton. Then correct option is D. The whole electron pair in lattice is called as exciton. Then next, in scanning electron microscopy, sample is placed at dot dot of assembly, top, bottom, middle, anywhere. So in scanning electron microscopy, sample, that is SEM, in SEM sample is placed at bottom of assembly. That is correct option is B. Sol gel method is performed in the dot dot phase, solid, liquid, gas, none of these. So sol gel method is performed in liquid phase, option B. Sol gel process consists of dot dot steps, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sol gel process consists of 4 steps, which are that hydrolysis, condensation, polymerization and agglomeration of particles. Remember that. In hydrothermal method for synthesis of nanomaterial, the instrument in which reaction is carried out is called as dot dot, attostart, attostop, attoheat, attoclave. So correct option is attoclave. In hydrothermal method for synthesis of nanomaterial, the instrument in which reaction is carried out is called as attoclave. In electrodeposition method, the nanoparticles are deposited on dot dot, cathode, anode, positive electrode, none of this. So in electrodeposition method, the nanoparticles are deposited on cathode. Dot dot is a hybrid method used to obtain coatings of variety of inorganic and organic materials. Precipitation, sol gel, CVD, none of this. CVD means chemical vapor deposition. So correct option is option C. Chemical vapor deposition, that is CVD, is a hybrid method used to obtain coatings of variety of inorganic and organic materials. Scanning electron microscopy is invented by scientist dot dot, Richard Feynman, Ernst Ruska, Binning and Rohrer, none of these. So scanning electron microscopy, that is SEM, is invented by scientist Ernst Ruska. Option B. In SEM, that is scanning electron microscopy, generally tungsten used in electron gun because it has dot dot melting point and dot dot vapor pressure. So in scanning electron microscopy, tungsten used in electron gun because it has highest melting point and lowest vapor pressure. Remember that. In scanning electron microscopy, electron beam is focused by dot dot. Electric lenses, optical lenses, magnetic lenses and electronic lenses. So correct option is in scanning electron microscopy, electron beam is focused by magnetic lenses, that is option C. This one is the last question from topic nanotechnology. So thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed to this my channel, then please do so. Thank you very much.